Redgie and you're joining me on 365 nights in Accor Hotels. And this is the Ibis Surabaya City Center. Let's go check it out. Your standard room here at the Ibis. We've got a full mirror here, TV on your bed, coffee, supplies here in the standard room. We have the safety deposit box and some slippers, and then we also have the laundry that can be done here as well at the hotel. Pay 1 and get 5. And then your bathroom. Lovely. That is your standard room here at the Ibis. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the twin room, standard room with the 2 single beds. Still got over here in the corner, we have our working desk. We have got the tea and coffee making facilities. Nice little couch there. And you've got your cupboard there with your safety deposit box and your slippers. That there is your twin room with the same bathroom as before. Now we're going to go and check out the bar and the restaurant, as well as the breakfast that is on offer here at the Ibis City Center in Surabaya. The bar is open from 10:30 to 10 p.m. every single day. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the banana boom made by yours truly over here, Koi.
Say hi, though.
Say hello. And we are going to test it now. Okay, ladies and gents, we're going to try this one. Very nice, very banana-y. Very banana-y, yeah?
Yeah.
Lots of banana, some chocolate. It's very, very nice. Here we go. Thank you, sir. Terima kasih. Here are the welcome drinks that are available as a silver, gold, platinum and diamond member at the Ibis Surabaya City Center. You can see there for diamond members, you can have any beverage except the alcohol. Let's head to the restaurant now where we're going to meet the chef and Andy. This is Chef Rio. We have Chef Rio and we have Mr. Andy.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Chef.
Yes?
What food do we have here today?
This is Gulai Kepala Ikan.
Yeah.
Kondimen nasi plus jeruk nipis emping. Oke. Ayam Tandoori dengan nasi basmati.
Very good, you're professional now.
Okay. Yes.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
The summer breeze here, look at that. This is a promotion here at the Ibis. And the Tandoori Ayam, which is a chicken with the nasi or the rice, some tomato there, nice little salad. And then we have over here, I'm pretty sure what he was saying is that this is some type of fish head. Wow. And it comes with the condiments of the nasi there, which is your rice, some cracker thingies. And we've got a chocolate milkshake. Lovely. These are the 2 dishes that we just enjoyed in the Taste restaurant, and this is the buffet breakfast that is on offer. Very, very nice. A wide selection of both Indonesian and also Western food. I would say out of all of the Ibises here in Surabaya, this is the widest selection of food that is available for your breakfast. Very, very nice indeed. At the Ibis there are 224 rooms. Very nice location right in the city centre. They also have 4 very high-tech modern meeting rooms as well. The lobby bar that we showed you earlier, as well as the restaurant. And it's very, very close to the Plaza. So the shopping mall's only walking distances away, as well as a 10-minute car ride through to the railway station. So a very convenient and a lovely location. The hotel is really, really nice for an Ibis brand. It's great. It's got so many things to do. They've also added a really cool snack section, which I'll show you very soon. But as you can see here, the breakfasts there are many options, as well as all the staff are super lovely and nice. A very friendly and awesome place to stay at a very budget friendly price. The snack section, like I said, it actually just launched, where you can get nice cool pastries. You've got popcorn available even at the breakfast, and you've got all these very cool treats such as lasagna, and you have the macaroni there, and you also have the what we call the risol here, and the sausage. Very cool stuff indeed. And they've even got a games corner set up for the kids, so all the big kids, and you can play on the games here, as well as board games and books that are available as well here at the Ibis. Here at the Ibis Surabaya City Center, they have the ability to rent the bike. You can rent the bike for 2 hours for 150,000, around 15 Australian dollars. Very cool. It's a service they have here at the Ibis City Center. There you go. They also have the car rental available here, which is really cool. So you can get the bike as well as the car, and also have an in-room massage service that's available from 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. with the last order there at 11. And this is the menu for what is available. If you'd like, you can pause and see all those prices there, and all the prices include the tax and service. Right here we have the local gifts that are available from Surabaya, including local designs and arts and crafts. We have some batik designs there, very nice, and also the Ibis has a QR code that is available for tourism activities. That's all for now. I'll catch you next time. Redgie out.